Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. I hope you had a good trading day today. Let's see what's happening in gold, what happened today and what's gonna happen tomorrow, hopefully, according to our analysis. So let me share my screen with you guys. Okay, there you go. Right. These were some important levels previously marked. Now let me remove this. We don't need this. Right. As you can see, this was the previous, this Asian high and low these were. And this was market tested the previous high, New York high, and it bounced, and it's bounced back from here. And if you go on higher time frame, you can see that in 1 hour, there's a 2 rejection candles, so you can, and also, let me remove this now. 2 rejection candle is possibly sign of reverse to the bearish sign uh, or double top as well. And if you go in higher time frame, similar situation. So it was a rejection. Very good trade for those who took from here. And let's see what is happening. In daily, we had moved to the downside. Market, as you know, is in the channel, this channel. Let me see what's happening in the news Forex Factory before I move on further analysis. Tuesday for 8th of August. As you can see, guys, that there are no heavy impact news. However, there's medium impact on 15. And it's not related to any particular data here. However, depending on what is the situation of the economy, we can expect the movement to the upside or downside. However, as you know, the gold is bearish, and we'll see where we get our trade from. Now, the possible scenario is, let me go into the smaller time frame. To go for the gold to go down, it has to break this level. And probably on the first instance, once it breaks, it probably has to come on this level, 1925 level. And let me mark this level. This level, that's right. And if it breaks to the upside, then our target will be, first target, it's 1940 level. And then we've got 1956, 1954, and also we've got 1950 level. These are the levels we already discussed in previous videos. And to the upside, we have further levels as well, as you can see here. 1972 onwards, we have different levels. However, because it's a bearish, and I did made a channel. Market is moving in a channel, in daily as well as in 4H. Sorry, something happening here with it's a channel, as you can see this. Now, this is a resistance area as well. Support area, sorry. And we got, and as you can see, this market prices are broken from here, this level, and they have tested this level. And now it's possible because, especially there's a new news, market can range before it can make next move and possibly come to the downside. However, if has to go to the upside, he has to break this level and this channel, and then the retest we can take a trade. And that's the scenario in 1H as well as in 4H. And if you want to see weekly pictures, you can see that weekly it has to come down. And possible targets are around 1900, around 1900. Because we got, first we had this first, and before that, this was the rejection point, as you can see. And now, as you can see, it's making kind of head and shoulder. It may come down a little bit before it makes next move. So let's see how the market reacts to this current scenario of the economy. And also, I'll always take the trade when you see the sign for that confirmation. And do not just go on your analysis. Analysis give you a rough idea. However, to confirm a trade, you must have some sort of evidence, either the candlestick pattern, volume, or whatever you use, a moving average, some sort of break of structure, break of area, whatever. So you have to use that before you take a trade. You can't just take blindly any trade. Okay, I hope this is useful. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Good night. Bye-bye.